All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 13 of our March daily math. All right, we're going to start here with 8 times 4 is blank less than 32. So really we got to start thinking, well, what is 8 times 4? Let's figure that out first. So 8 times 4 is 32. Now we can figure out how much less than 50 it is. So if we take 32 away from 50, that will give us how much it's less. So let's go ahead and take that away. Have to borrow from next door because there's more on the floor. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it's 18. 8 times 4 is 18 less than 50. Number 2 says 12 times 7 is equal to 10 times 7 plus distributive property, right? Remember that? So we're cover up everything. We can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. So all we have left is the 12, the 10, the plus sign, and our missing number. Okay? This is just back to the old addition, subtraction, fact triangles. 10 plus what is 12? Or 12 minus 10 equals what? Well, 10, we know 10 plus 2 is 12, right? That's all that is. Okay? Remember, it's trying to make 12 times 7 easier, so you can do 10 times 7, which is 70, and then 2 times 7 for 14 to make it 84. Okay? All right, number 3. How many pieces between 0 and 1? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 total pieces, or 6 jumps, right? So like, here's 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 piece, 6 piece chicken nugget, right? What fraction is the mushroom at? Well, I see the fraction, or the mushroom, is at the first one. So it's going to be a 1 over, and again, we have 6 total pieces. So it is at the 1/6 mark, okay? The horseshoe, 1, 2, 3. The horseshoe's at the 3 out of 6 mark, also known as the halfway point there, right? That's the half mark. And the shamrock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is at the 5 out of 6. 5/6 is the fraction for that. All right, number 4. Max has a toy cube. Each side has 4 dots. How many dots in all? Okay, well, we're not going to just count the 4, 8, 12 that we see. We have to figure out how many sides are on a cube. Well, obviously, here I'm thinking right away, for me, I shouldn't say obviously, but for me, I'm thinking right away, it kind of looks like dice when I saw that, right? I mean, did you kind of see, like, picture dice in your mind, like when you first saw that? Yeah, me too. So what we'll do here is how many sides are on dice? Well, these dice, cubed dice, right? If it's a cube, it's going to be 6 sides. So we have 6 sides. And each side has 4 dots. So 6 times 4, meaning it's a multiplication because it says each side, right? So how many dots in all? Well, 6 times 4 equals 24. Okay? Number 5, color of cupcake sprinkles. All right, O'Malley's Bakery uses 3 colors of sprinkles on their cupcakes. How many fewer cupcakes have rainbow sprinkles than orange? Well, remember, here's our key. Each one of these is worth 4 cupcakes, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's actually 16 here, right? 1, 2, 3 times 4, there's 12. And 1, 2 times 4, there's 8. So we are comparing rainbow and orange. So here's rainbow, here's orange. Well, if there's 16 orange, there's 8 rainbow. How many fewer rainbow? Well, 16 minus 8 equals 8, because 8 plus 8 equals 16. 8 cupcakes All right. Boys and girls, we'll see you tomorrow for day number 14. Great job.